Sorry. I don't know why this thing hates me. Like, honestly. But we're kind of back. Give me a second. The Wi-Fi had a mini freak out. They've been doing so many like updates and updates or upgrades, whatever. Upgrades on the Wi-Fi that they actually keep freaking messing with it. It's driving me a little bit batty, but we're okay. We're back. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. You're probably not here. Okay, well, anyways. Okay. I'm back. We're good. What happened? Lance, the Wi-Fi. I think they've been doing like maintenance and stuff on the Wi-Fi, which is all well and good, except that whenever they do something, it obviously has a little mini and yeah, irritates me. But we're back. Sorry about that. We're back. Hi, handsome. What's up? What's up? But yeah, we're back. I'm sorry about that. Let's do this thing. So $3:59. We are a minute away from 4. We have not moved at all. It doesn't look too bad because I'm a little bit zoomed in. When we do this, you kind of go. That is what this price action is right now. Disgusting. Damn, they're actually costing me money. We should complain to them and demand money back or credit. Lance, I wish. I already know the answer to that. They're gonna be like, aim. They don't give a damn. Oh well. We don't get Starlink in South Africa. So no, we don't got that. Samuel, how you doing, bud? Welcome back. Sorry for the interruption. Sorry. I just have to just get my multi-chat going again. And it's okay. Yeah, to be fair, right? When I'm back in Joburg, the Wi-Fi should also be better. Should be. Who knows? Starlink might too go into a cell phone connection. It could be cheaper, more reliable option to anywhere you go. Really? You should have snuck off and gotten French toast. What is with you on the French toast today, Atlanta? Also, if I'm gonna have French toast, I'm gonna make it myself. Oh, I missed the table. I was gonna say, that's actually not a bad idea. I think I'm gonna make some French toast when my parents are here. That sounds like thebomb.com for breakfast. No reps. So to be fair, where we're going in Joburg has borehole water and I nearly said satellite. That's not it. Oh. Solar. And it has solar. So even if people do be stealing cables and things like that, we have solar energy. So that's cool. And we'll have like a gas oven. So it's better. I want to create consolidation instead of just selling. I mean, do you know what's sad? If you probably go to sleep now, it might start dropping. You know, just, I know my luck, and normally that's exactly what it does. It kind of messes around and then I leave because I'm like, ugh, it's doing nothing. And then it starts doing things. You're long 29025. Okay. I'm not gonna ask where your TP is at. You just say whoop whoop, sorry. Damn, okay, you have quite a you're keeping it tight. Discord, I'm on it. I'm back, Shaki. How you doing? Hi, 63-ish. Oh, damn. Okay, there we go. There we go. Whoop whoop. Okay, that's a solid whoop whoop for Solly right there. Oh, and a little runner. Cool. And back. Do the opposite way to go. Oop, nice. Okay, so I potentially would have had a long here. Would have entered into a long there. Okay, have you gotten your shenanigans out now? I don't know if it's gotten its shenanigans out just yet. Oh, I should probably wait for confirmation before I jump into anything, hey? Check out everything there. This still actually looks good for it to want to go a little bit higher. Wait for confirmation. Patience pays. I mean, this isn't the terriblest. This isn't the terriblest. And on one account. Nice, Shaki. What the heck, man? Y'all are killing it. I'm so proud of you guys. So proud of this community. The highs at 125 are looking juicy though. Yep. Do you ever get the urge to say if the confirmation, or is it more like a self-check and balancing? Yeah. Sorry, you know what I'm saying? No, I don't know if you remember earlier I placed a damn long here. Shoot. I literally had placed a long right there. Here we go. If I'm confident, I'll run with no stops. Thinking, clicking at the moment. Gotta make this profit. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have a flipping meltdown soon. Seriously? If things could just work into— I know. Wait, let me do this. 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 I'm gonna. That's what I need to log a ticket and be like, yo, can you guys sort yourself out? Focus on the trade, apologize on the stream later. True. 97330. Okay, tapped into there. Hit up Uncle Elon. To be fair, it actually has, this internet is actually not, or shouldn't be bad. It's supposed to be like a 50-50 situation, which should theoretically be really freaking good, but man, they annoy me. Break even trade for you? Nice. I know. Okay, I'm just gonna watch what happens here because I can't take a trade when it keeps buffering like this. Am I going through it hard? Right. 50-50. Is it I'm Shaki, that's hilarious. Just get Starlink problem solved. We don't have Starlink in South Africa, Louis. No, like speed-wise, is that it? It's not speed-wise. I don't even understand. I don't know much when it comes to this stuff. Okay, we're back, I think. It's the monkeys. Oh, flippy funny. Okay. So I didn't take this because of issues. Let's see if this would have worked out or not. That big wick is making me think now this thing could be continuing back down. Decent rejection though, but not as much as I would have liked to have seen. Yeah, the sellers look like they're coming in on ES. Oh, the hiccup, Atlanta. It was a heap. It's irritating me because this was/is an A+ setup. But I'm a little bit in my head about it. I don't know, this looks like it's gonna push down on ES. Am I in Discord? No. Well, I don't have it open, if that's what you're asking, David. Girl, if it's A+, take the trade. Should I just buy now? But then I'm risking a little bit too much. Okay, let's see if it comes back down to here. I think it's gone now, but whatever. Shoot. I'm gonna be cheeky. Must I be cheeky? I'm gonna be cheeky and just have it there and then have my stop loss at where the break even would be. Little 1 to 1 R. $38. Shoot. There it goes. Oh, don't be cheeky, always stick to your plan. Okay, fine. There it goes. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, would have been a good trade. No, don't FOMO. Fine. 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 Looks like it's headed for a whoop whoop though. So at least would have been break even here, so that's cool. Let's see if we get the continuation. No, this. Give me a minute. Give me a minute to let the FOMO leave my body and take a minute to not do something dumb. Because looking at it on ES, very nice volume imbalance did form there. I think it will want to retest back down, but it is still struggling to break above on ES. So I'm watching it to see when it taps into that volume imbalance. Here it goes. But trust every setup. If you start overthinking it, you'll find a reason not to take it. No, that's true. It can work 10 times, but the day you FOMO in and it flips, you want to eat glass. That's true. When you miss a trade like that, you gotta play the song goodbye. Bye, my friend. Ah, I love it. Oh, do you think it's a false breakout? Okay. See if this continues up. Stop going up. Do 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 do. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head today. Ah, it's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Cute. It's okay, we still have plenty of time. Wait, where was 4 AM? Didn't even clock where 4 AM was. Down here. Can I just say that recently, Solly and OTT, I don't know if you guys remember what Rip taught me about the 3 AM, 4 AM open, but recently it has been doing the opposite of what he said it used to do. But I mean, that being said, everything evolves over time. I got a pet peeve with something you keep saying. What's that? Which one? Hey Hammer, what's up? I told a friend if you sit around and mope about still having all of your money, you must be in good shape. Yeah, it's a rough life. It's a rough life. Mikrove, what is it? It's okie dokie. Is that your pet peeve? It's just a fair value gap or imbalance, not a volume imbalance. Do you know what I'm talking about when I say volume imbalance? Mikrove? Is it okie dokie? Lucky one! Okie dokie. That's 4 points from a TP. Hope it goes back down. Oh, Stu rough. At least you're not losing, I guess, but it's still irritating. Because look at it winning. Fine, just get over it. up, Naughty How are we doing? I've tried. No, but okay. I have said that. No, I'm not sure. What are you talking about? I just made myself look like. Well. So, okay, OTT, you said the imbalance doesn't really count if there's a fair value gap, correct? Like, then it just forms part of the fair value gap. So, when I mentioned the volume imbalance, again, this is something that I was taught from RIP. I don't know if you guys remember RIP. So, I guess technically, OTT, technically you were correct that this is technically still part of the fair value gap, right? Right? That's what you taught me. So when I'm talking about the volume imbalance, Mikuave, I'm talking about this gap here. And I did say on ES, I would like to see it reject off of that volume imbalance. I guess it is no different. It's no real different. It's an imbalance. It's an imbalance. It is an imbalance. I mostly just go for confluence of Shaki. Also don't understand one. So you don't momentum at all, you wait for the GAN box at a certain level. Not so much a certain level, I wouldn't say that. Like this here, I would call this a volume imbalance, but technically it just also forms part of the fair value gap. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I was taught that they are called volume imbalances. I think some people maybe have different names for them, but I call them volume imbalances. And they tend, not always, same with like fair value gaps, they tend to be respected and rejected off of quite well. Liquidity void, ooh, I like that. I low-key really love the liquidity void. I like rejection blocks, gotta be real picky, not gonna lie, or you'll get cooked. There's the sideways movement coming, so uptrend the candle top and opposite, downtrend opposite. Daddy stocks that hurt my brain. Oh, Daddy stocks is back. What should I do for my dirty 30? Ooh, Eddie, you can do so many fun things. What do you want to do? Like you could, I don't know, camping. Sorry, my real name. Like, okay, ignore that one. Sorry, but the volume imbalance on ES here that I've marked out, so you can see it's been rejected off of actually twice times now. This one, decent rejection. This one, also decent rejection. But it's kind of like OTT said. Some of them work like nah. Others, meh, not so much. I mean, technically, there's one here. You can see that just didn't give a damn about it. Yeah, some of them are amazing. So I just take note of them. Like this one, you can see it got rejected off of. These other few here, absolutely nothing happened. I'll get a different look at the origin of the move, no matter where they are. Okay. And here has name. I feel like I butchered that. MNQ to be exact. I'd say that is fair value price in ES. What is it? Like his birthday, right? One liquidity voids, especially on higher time frame than NWAG and new daily opening up. Up today, trade addict? I don't freaking know anymore. I don't know. Still low-key a little bit grumpy about that, but looks like I would have been potentially taken out at yeah, so it wouldn't have been a whoop whoop. Looks like this would have been maybe a tiny partial, if anything. Turning 30 in November, Eddie. We still got time. Still got time. What would you do for a 30? Yeah. Well, volume balance has 0 or low volume, no bios. That's why I thought you were talking about fair value gap. I thought fair value gap was your strat. That's why. Oh, well, I use them as well as confluences, but I mean, they do kind of go together with the fair value gaps. Some OTT thoughts. They work best when not in the middle of price. I can't remember what I said, but M&Q is now at 543. Shares traded since March today. That's interesting. That's how my setups and rank based on probable win percentage determined by backtesting and real-time testing. Interesting. I feel like that number isn't that much far off from what I last said. Maya, what did you do for your 30th birthday? I am not 30. I am 27. Rude. And knowing me, I would do absolutely nothing. Why don't you go camping? Invite a bunch of friends, go camping, cause a scene, do dumb things. You know, that sounds like a shout. So my better setups are actually better setups as they have a higher chance of being winners. With my 17. They're not born yet.
Emotional damage.
Does anyone still use YOLO? Yeah, some people do. Do something. YOLO. Should I just YOLO into a trade? Say, screw it. Let's see what happens. I wish I was that cool, guys. Stupid Wi-Fi. There's so many guys into they try staying on the 1 minute try and walk out 10 p.m. Oh, welcome to the fourth reality, like you and you don't born. This is not real. Ultimately about what price gaps work better when above or before the daily price. Oh, okay. I'm 23. Get ready for some short serve. I love that. What's up, Fox? How we doing? Unfortunately, I say YOLO. Yeah, like the grandpa you are, Solly. Let's go the short squeezy. When you're visiting the States, you have to count once your affiliate codes hit 6-figure revenue. Celebrate success. Yeah, Lance, I don't know when the hey diddly day that will happen. Hey diddly day. Nailed it. English, so good right now. I'm Englishing like a pro. You'll better watch out. Sorry, I was watching the volume imbalance. I'm gonna keep calling it that, even if it annoys people. I was watching this. Here. Let's see, so that did reject off of it slightly. Slightly being the keyword. The sellers are coming to the party now. Let's get ready to rumble! Woo! I think the coffee's hitting. But in the same breath, there's nothing to do. Do we do butterfly of the day? Shots fired, shots fired. It's funny, why is provoking you? Fair. Yeah, I'm trying to do the latest channel expert with consistent trading and streaming. Just in your channel if I could. Aw, Lance, you're so sweet. So we had a narrow initial. No. That's completely fair enough. No, you schooled me a bit. Weird. I taught someone something. Okay. And I was cool until I did that. Samuel, you think the shorty shorts are in play? I think that this price action needs to wake up. Thanks. Please and thanks. Pretty please and thanks. That would be amazing. Amazing. For freaking 4:30 slash already and only. Like, time both feels like it's going so slow, yet so fast. Very weird. How long do I chart on average per day? Ahmed? So, me too, I think so. Anyway, so what I was going to say, before English lost my capabilities, was I am here for basically, say, 4.5 to 5 hours a day. Between 4 and 5 hours, give or take. Depending on the day and the price action. Nah. Making the king. Wow. This is a weird conversation. It's so close to the previous day high. It's so close. Sally, you closed your runner, right? Solly making me uncomfortable. I know, OTT, him being nice to me is very weird and I don't like it. Solly, stop. Which is probably his plan. He's being mean by being nice. You sneaky. You little sneaky sneaker. There's also NVIDIA earnings later today during New York, so should have a decent power hour today. Ooh, there we go. Thanks, Debbie. Debbie, you've been awful quiet. Are you good? Am I upset? Yes. Do I have a valid reason for being upset? Yes. Am I irritated? Yes. Do I have a little bit of FOMO? Yes. What are we gonna do about it? Absolutely nothing. We're just gonna take those emotions, take all of them and just shove them down and get over it. The only way you gotta do it as a trader. Everyone says you can't shove your emotions down. As a trader, you better. This is not life advice. Do not take this as life advice. Where's life sound, guys? I don't know where life sound has gone. I'm low-key a little bit worried. Is life sound on Discord? I think he is. Let me message him. Life sound. Life sound. Oh, damn. No! I'm gonna have to find sugar honey iced tea. I'm gonna have to try and find him. I actually mentioned this on Monday. I don't know where he's at, and I hope he's okay. This is gonna bug me. Where you at, bud? Watching there? Okay, I'm not missing anything, so it's fine. Whee! Just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling, whee! Good actual grief. No. 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 Weird. Because you only have 200 more points than me. This whole time. There you go, discipline. Yep. I banned him. Oh, rubbish. I know you didn't. You're not mean sometimes. I hope you. Mikwave, you in particular. Excellent. Aha. I knew it. Okay. You know, I'm joking. I didn't ban. I know you. I know. What did I miss? What did I miss? I feel like I missed some things. Maybe this week's been a little hectic so far this week. I'm hoping we can sort it all out today. What do you mean by that, Debbie? Just with regards to somebody? Okay, let's go. Okay, well, you know what? We just keep on keeping on. That's all we do. New daily opening gap. I think this is going to very slowly climb, take out previous day. I suspect. This is just a suspicion. I suspect this is going to very slowly climb, take out the previous day high, and then this thing might drop to the freaking center of the earth. Or it's going to prove me wrong and it's just going to keep skyrocketing. But I think previous day high is the little saucy sauce it's after, and then it's just gonna... Anyways. How do you have both streams comments combined like that? Seems very helpful. It kind of is. It's on this, it's called Caster. It's like a multi-chat situation. You can just link them. It makes life easier. Can you imagine me trying to read, but I would miss so many things. Not that I don't sometimes miss things already, but still. It's very much secret how people do. I'm getting an itchy finger. Same these? Do you want to just... Oh! I thought... Oh, okay, never mind. I know what you're talking about now. I thought you meant just to, like... Just buy. Oh, I was definitely getting an itchy finger to just, like... Click. Look, it's one little click. Right there. One little marketing click. So easy. But that's letting... the fear of missing out and the YOLO win, and we can't let that happen, can we? Oh no. Atlanta, is this the insanity you were talking about? Oh damn. Is this how I normally am? I'm so sorry. You all have had to deal with a lot. Maya's using the fine china shirt again. Will be high until New York session. What do you think will happen with NVIDIA earnings after? That might be when it drops, actually, Lance. No, Ollie, bring him back. Make the money my problem. If I stay in market when I should get out and give it back, how do I stop that? Wait, I can make the money my problem. Is I stay in market when I should get out and give it back. How do I stop that? So, Soldier, I'm gonna call you Soldier. Why don't you just have a set goal? Maybe it's if you have one winning trade, you close the charts and you're done for the day. type of situation. And you're not allowed to take any more trades that day. Like, give yourself goals, and when you've reached that goal, you're done. You're done. It stops you over trading, it stops you maybe giving back your profits. Yeah, you just have to have your own little rules in the back of your mind that you stick to, and you do not let yourself break them. You lost? What do you mean you lost? Chad, what? Wow. It's Monday afternoon, stress levels this week, been off the chart, quite literally as well. Oh no! I'm sorry, Debbie, why? What's happening? Chadwick and Microwave are all we want to see, literally. Damn, that was fun. Wow, we're here. Now bring him back around. I literally, why do you think I went dead quiet when I saw this? I was like, oh, here we go. Stopping after one win doesn't sound easy to me, just saying. But then you have to ask yourself, why are you trading more? Is it because... Is it because that's your strategy to just keep on doing it? Then you must accept that potentially you're going to be giving back profits. Is it because of your strategy that you're going to continue trading? Is it because of greed? Is it because you have to make a certain amount? That have to is a little bit of a scary thing, because then it adds that little bit of pressure in your mind. Like, why do you continue? Does that make sense? And if you continue because it's your strategy, then you must just accept that potentially you're going to give some profits, if not all the profits back. You can go back to talking now. I can't bring him back now, I banned him. Did I take a trade? No. I have missed 3. Am I angry? Yes. The one was A+, but that's when the Wi-Fi messed up and had a moment. So that was fun. This one. Why did I not take this one? I forgot. Oh well. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. I'm waiting for it to take out the previous day high, and then let's see what happens after that. Guys, if he can be brought back, I'll try to get him in a Discord call. Oh gosh. You can all listen in later. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Gasp. I'm gonna clutch my pearls. New man. Possible reversal, maybe. Jose, that's what I'm thinking. When it takes out the previous day high, it might then come back down, but we're gonna have to wait and see. And every trade with a well-defined entry and exit. Expect each trade to lose and ask if you're willing to accept that loss before entering. Jackie, I like that. Ah, there we go. Well, then it's part of your strategy, so it's fine. Is it just gonna be teasing people? It might be. Nah, I think it's gonna go up, take it, and then potentially, like I said, we might see a little bit of a drop happening. Am I bummed? Yes, I am. Yep. I'm done, sorry. Yeah, we don't mix them with horizontal people. Be right back. 2 seconds. Oh, I think this is where it's gonna happen. Okay, wait. Do I have too much energy because the coffee's kicking in? Yes. Yes, I do. Chadwick was joking the whole time, BTW. What do you mean? What's happening? What's happening? What's up? Okay, knows what's up. There we go. There's the previous day high. Boop. Taken. Awesome. Now is the deciding factor. Is this going to continue up or are we gonna go back down? Up? Okay. Seems like up is potentially the way to go here. Oh, my iPad or iPhone and prefer it much more. Seems like a better falls and it's quick. What? Why, Lance? That's weird. Broke up. Hi. Wow. Yeah? Melty? I can't tell if you're being sarcastic right now. I feel like you are. Okay, what time is it? Okay, we still have time. We still have time. We still have time. We still have time. You know, on days like this, I should just really start taking every single one. Because, let's see. 1, then a loss. 2, then 3 would have been a win. If I'd followed this up, don't know if I would have done that. Four would have been a win. So 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss on days like this when it's kind of slowly trending to the upside. You know, if it hadn't have just taken out the previous day high, I would maybe be like, okay, screw it, let's then do this. But again, it literally just took out the previous day high, which means this is at a little bit of a deciding point. Is it going to continue back up to... Yeah. Yesterday's Asia high and then there's equal highs above. Or is this where we start going down? It's coming down. Making me jealous that he weren't here to see it. Maybe why would I take a screenshot and show him? Be like, look what you missed. Look at this. You missed something awesome here. Be jelly. It's Wednesday. Yeah, okay, so today is indeed Wednesday. That's fine. Do you have a set amount of risk or do you adjust your stop loss for each entry? No, it's basically different per trade, Lance. It depends on how big it is. Do you genuine... Okay. McWabe, do you want me to... I don't know. I can unban him. I've been watching you a while, but I'm not very clear on your strategy. I don't need to be obnoxious. Oh, that's okay. You stay high. It's still open. Oh, sorry, it was actually New York's high here. Oh, and I said it was relative equal highs. It was actually New York's high. Was this also yesterday? Yeah. Was New York's high and equal highs over here. That's what it took out at 0.26. And yeah, it was New York's high. But I guess technically the previous day high would be at this Asia high, which is at 190. Yeah. Technically the previous day high is here. Oh, I'm being dumb. This is yesterday's new daily. Give me a minute. This is today's new daily opening gap. Yeah, chopstick. So I took out the equal highs over here at 126. There we go. Let's see if we get a rejection, if we're going to keep going. So technically, yeah, the previous day high is at 190 at the Asia high. And there's equal highs there. There, cool. Sorry, my bad. It was just New York's high and the equal highs. I swear I have a problem waking up at like 3 or 4 in the morning every day, and it's by far the best that you ever randomly stumble upon in a while. You are welcome. I think retracement, then falling knife. Is this about to retrace heavy? Lance, let's... If there is... may decide to touch this or not. I've secured on my final funded account, no pressure now for New York session. Hey, Shaki, that is amazing! Well done! There's no volume in overnight, nope. You don't have to unban me, I'm everywhere. Oh! Oh, he's back, Mikuave. Well, he's back. Okay, then. Well, maybe it's my turn to be a brat. Round 2. I didn't do a damn thing, I nearly swore. You got 15 more accounts. Oh, okay, so you definitely a troll. So I was saying, yes, Atlanta, you. This is the funniest I've seen in a long time. Atlanta, what? Why? Why do you say that? This is normal stuff. This is what happens normally. On every trader's channel, we have normal conversations all the time. I do apologize to Big Maya. Remember I was asking about dingleberries in chat earlier? Yeah, Shaki, you were. Oh, you make a lot of emails for free trials. I guess that kind of makes sense. Feels a little scammy, but I guess it kind of makes sense. What's going on today? I think I woke up in the wrong reality. Lucky? Cool. Both of us are like... When did this wild stuff happen, and how did I become a part of it? Just thinking of someone logging on and very first words are, "Hi, you suck." Again, I didn't do anything. Hey, Jade. Wait, let's see. was absolutely insane today. Meek, that was weak. Solly. Rough. I think somebody also making burner emails for excuse my vulgar language, but you are by far the biggest. Oh my gosh! You got all eyes on you. Cook something up. My possible falling knife. Catch it. Let's see. Jose, sorry. I'm having such a big giggle about whatever the heck is going on today. Oof. Close, but no dice. Here we go. Potentially here. This does kind of feel like a falling knife situation. I do want to see it go further down and take that out. No, come back and get me first before you do that, you little bugger. 1, 2, 3. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Sorry, now we got something potentially juicy cooking. This is about how it's like this. Go down, make it there's volume overnight, it's just like compared to New York session, but volume is just activity on a stock, no volume. You apparently felt like being a little and starting some. Okay, Maya has a lot of secret admirers. 3.5 minutes. This is turning. In this environment, price can be bullied by one big buyer seller. I love how there's two conversations going on currently. One is popcorn and tea worthy. The other is very serious about what's happening on the charts. I am all for both. I mean, no, I do not condone the bad stuff. The bad, you know, no, be better. Whatever. Oh, right, I have to do butterfly of the day. My position for let's just get ready for the day. Chance of that. I mean, Meek, he is a mod. He is a mod. You gotta check your check. You gotta pick your battles. There we go. Not check. I can stim margaritas on the beach later. I'm here to make money now. There we go. It took out that level I wanted to see it take. Shoot. Hasn't taken it out on ES yet though. This one feels a tad bit more on the risky side. This could just be a little bit of a retest. Have not gotten any confirmation really on this one. How much is it? Oh, okay, that's fine. Whatever. Either this works or it doesn't. I'm not gonna be upset about $17. Did you see my oh, when I saw how much I was like, okay, this is fine. Either this works or it doesn't. Whatever. I will not cry over that. You picked a really lame... Okay. Are we mods? Watch laughing too hard for him. He came in talking about I must say, all the mods got each other's backs. I love it. You guys are so sweet. Hmm. 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 Okay. One, 3. That wick isn't great, and a little bit of a support level there. Expect to see this climb a little bit higher, take out the wickless. I call them the wickless. You'll know what I'm talking about when I say that. Leave me alone! Leave, 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 leave. Sorry, there's a bug that keeps bugging me. Okay. This is A+. Yeah. What, the content or the... It's running away from me. It's just running away. Wait, RTT, was that you asking or was that you making a statement that this is A+? Mother bluffer. Okay, thank you guys, my day is made. Wow, Atlanta's literally just here for one reason and one reason only. He wants to see the drama. That is it. It's like payments. Did I join the Tradeify Grand Cup? I did not. Who did? Who has joined the Tradeify Grand Cup? It's still fine. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Yeah. Wasn't quite, ooh, a little bit there. Okay, that's a point to check out for clearly quite a bit of support chilling over there. So let's see, that's quite a nice point of interest, and that is where TP is at. Let's see. Okay, regardless, it's now hands off. Hey dude, we're talking about look at the horizon, it's not gonna see the nerve. Time to continue to be. Did I do the 23-minute ship? What's up? I'm so serious. You sing Big Bird? What's up, Silent Billionaire? How you doing? What's poppin'? My brain cells after these conversations today. Yeah, literally silent. Definitely my brain cells after today. Wait. Aww. Messaging my friend. Oh, shame. My parents went to meet my horse today. Ah. Nah, I definitely woke up in the wrong universe. I hear you, Lucky. My friend is watching this and she's asking what is going on with the comments today. Literally all of us are like, I don't know God, he's speechless right now. Oh, she's not there, you know. Man, I didn't. Oh, flip. Gosh, okay. The key to profit is take the understand. Too much testosterone in the chat. Ooh, she looks so good. This is not fair. Someone take me side, make it even. Illusion is better than delusion. Ooh, all traders are a bit delusional though, I think. I mean, you're not wrong. Neil, I'm actually Otiana trying to balance it out. No! Why? Why do you do me dirty like this? Oh, by the way, Mikwave, just out of curiosity, right? Out of curiosity. Mikwave, I don't know if you're paying attention to this, but that little bit of a volume imbalance, I like them. Again, they don't always work, but you see this tiny bit of a volume imbalance, you can see it did reject off of that quite nicely. I feel like this thing is just running away without me now. Oh, tapped into that support level. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. So it reached that support level that I wanted to see it tap into. But it just gone up a little bit higher. It actually would have been a nice trade. Bummed. Let's see if this one... Nah, this would have maybe... Oh, would have gotten very, 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 very close. A little bit too close for comfort, if I do say so myself. Gender fluid AF. Maya either hesitates or gets edged. You have a point there, OT2. It's rude. Yeah, I'm even trading. Let's start over. But I usually use Delta footprints as Confluence. NinjaTrader Reno competition began yesterday at Open. Are you able to trade that tournament? My free and third round is still open, I think. I'm not, but I should. Would I even do well? I feel like I would do some dumb things there, to be fair. Been working on this damn discipline rubbish. Okay, so tapped into that support level on the 5-minute. How's the 15-minute look right now? Solid rejection off of there on the 15-minute. I'd like to see it come back down to here on the 15. Ooh, that I've drawn way too big. On the 15 there, that would be a nice point of interest if it's gonna come back down. On the 15-minute, the body did not close above the wicks. Okay. Don't have a good day. I'll check you later. Cheers, Atlanta. Have fun. Then Schlav, I thought you ended your live stream. What's up, Abita? No, sorry, the Wi-Fi had a little mini moment, but I'm still here. Or are you still trying to find people to trade? He'll be back. You would need to have completely different strategy. I think it's more of a full port situation to have a chance at competing. Probably wouldn't be very helpful. Or it would be, you know, wait for your A+ setup and then just put everything in on it. And see if it takes TP or not. What's up, Overdose Indeed? Welcome back. I actually need to ban someone. It's been too long. It was fun at first. Now he's just boring me. OTT finance comment again. And just count for a few more days. You're on missions today. I'm just, you know what? I'm just doing my thing. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, followed that all the way down. Didn't come and get me. This would be my new point of interest if it goes down there. Let's see what it decides to do here. Had it here, hey. $30. I can't see his comment. Mistake. Not to get banned here. Some of us have been unhinged. Yeah, Neil, it really does. David, yeah, you've missed a lot. It's been a wild day. No, this one might be a bit of a loss, but OTT, what did you say about me being edged? Because I feel like I'm starting to take this personally now. If it had climbed, what? But it climbed 1 and a bit more points. 2 more points, I would have been in. And instantly break even. The temper goes to... Before I go, can I say what? And can I say you guys just suck at hitting the like button and don't even like hitting the like button for this woman I do every day. Aw, thanks Atlanta. Yo guys, don't forget to press the like button. Show some love, honestly. Thank you, Atlanta. Mad love. You're cool. I like you. I'm a grumpy goose now. What the heck was that about? That felt unnecessary. By two, yeah, basically 2 points. Oh, I feel like sulking. Oh my gosh. Sulking was allowed. I would be sulking right now. 2 points away from tagging me in and then straight down. Okay. The current internet comments competition people posted plus 20k using essential my. Oh my gosh, Jackie, what the heck? See how you compete with that? That's just ridiculous. Check the 5 minute, you'll see. I did check the 5 minute. And I'm much offended. Oh, tapped into that 5 minute fair value gap. They want to just go 2 points higher. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. I do think this thing just enjoys teasing me for fun. And now I feel like I'm just chasing it. I am chasing this a bit, aren't I? Tapped into the support level. What is that noise? Oh, it's a crow. Oh, I thought something was like choking. Another edge, I know. I don't think it's 15 accounts. Wait for opportunity. Why does it hate me? It missed me by 2 points. It's not even like I haven't placed setups today. I missed the up move. Now I've been trying to get into the downward one. It hit the support level, which means it could go a little bit higher now. Like I said, it feels like I am kind of chasing this, but it could 1, 2. Okay, this is not a great one, but $20. Screw it. Okay. Imagine I do some random live and be like, you're sure. Please do it, OTT. Just for fun. Just be unhinged creepy and see what happens. No, don't be a troll. Don't do that. Be nice. 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 Right. But that bearish candle. That dude really motivated. That dude really motivated me. I wanted to log on to somebody's stream and only say, you suck. Oh, what's up, David? You missed all the drama. You missed all the tea that happened earlier. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling with these damn trades right now. Atlanta made a point, guys. Don't forget to press that like button. Ugh, apparently I need all the help I can get right now. Tears. Just tears. Oh, shoot. Oh well, whatever. At this point, whatever. Let's see. Definitely hit that support level, so yeah. All those guys are disgraceful to humans. And now we have a push. Oh, this looks like the bottom of something. Ah, great. Like I said, it did tap into that support level. It has been edging me, so I won't be surprised. No. Oh, I guess anger, she reminds me of Pikachu trying to really hard to zap someone. That is a compliment, Mikwawabe. She hiccups like Pikachu, I'll give you that. And I'm in it. Watching my own catching sharks. I'm now just hands off. Whatever. Just... whatever. Trade addict, you're in it? To be fair, no, I probably can't. I was gonna say I can make the little Pikachu noise quite well, but let me not embarrass myself on a live more. I was gonna say today, but I'm pretty sure I've embarrassed myself like 5 times today. Multi, let's see. I am now hands off. Yeah. Obito, why are you laughing? Today's FMC is health aim and Q traders. Yes. Green recorder on. What was that noise you say? The Pikachu noise. You know. I don't want to do it. I catch shocks with my bare hand. I don't want to do it. I feel like you guys are going to tease me. Oh no. Stop loss. I'm just waiting for the beep. Whoever you catch shocked at me. I mostly just do the Pika Pika one. You see, I try to keep my voice normal because I want to do it in my president. It's an A+ in my framework. You don't need to give it room. Let's see. What's up, Boom? Hey, Boom. You good? You're still fine? You're safe? Boom is apparently being flooded right now. Be able to avoid the you're very patient. Hopefully you see some payout soon. Lance, one step at a time. Oh, it's slowing down. Okay, cool. No volume on expansion. No participation on bullish move. I don't need people to trade with any. But anything can happen. Yeah? Yes. Well, there is break even. So let's see. Like I said, my point of interest. Should I be greedy and make it the low? No, don't be greedy. I couldn't. Don't be greedy. Yeah, that's me. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? Make it the low. Like this low here. The low. I got low. Or this low. Just there. It's a few points extra. Oh, it might come just take me out of break even. Just want to see something here. Oh. Well, the 50% is where I've moved my break even to. Oh, it might just come and take me out of break even. Rude. Don't do that. That's mean. That's not very nice of you. Please don't do that. That's gonna take me out of break even. Oh. Everyone, hold your breath. Hang on my entry now. It's been a while since I had to ban someone. I have 420, keep following that. That was me. I can put partial stops instead of break even and just stop. Meltamir, I can't take partials if I only have one contract in on this, just saying. I have to paper trade with someone else just to get a feel. Go on then, do it. If that candle flips you safe. Resisting strong. David, it's cold. What temperature is cold there in Australia right now? What the heck? Overdose? What? Thank you for the future reading insight. Boom banana. Atlanta, do I paper trade? Not really. Okay, this is where my brain is like, do I now just trail this and just let it be a runner? But that seems greedy. Don't do that. I'm just gonna trail it to there. What, like leave a runner? Just leave this running and just keep trailing it down? Let it run. Okay, effort. That's what we're doing today. We're just letting it run. I'm just gonna trail it. Yes, sculpt the runs, don't let it run. Sculpt the... Yeah, this is already a risk-free trade. Literally, this is a risk-free trade for me, so... It keeps running. Thanks for that, Ninja. Thanks. The session was fun today. Let's do it again tomorrow. I'm gonna miss... Oh my gosh! I forgot about Butterfly of the Day. Butterfly of the Day. Okay, who knows anything about butterflies? Who just wants to give a random butterfly without me going through the book today? Anyone? Let's do Butterfly of the Day. Not gonna be kidding. The streams and doing 17 hours straight on the pub. I got you, girl. Thanks, Ninja. Who brought up that stupid butterfly? Atlanta, stop being such a negative Nancy. Wait 5 more minutes to see if this trade develop. Okay. Well, like I said, it's at break even now, so whatever happens, happens. Let's do... biggest butterfly species. That's gonna be our butterfly of the day. The biggest butterfly species. Oh, that's a moth, my man. The queen? That looks like a moth? What? Sorry. Let it run. You're already at break even. Yeah, David, that's exactly. Oh well, if it takes me out, it takes me out. Let's see, but let's quickly do butterfly of the day. I'm leaving it alone. So whatever happens now, happens. If it takes me out before going down, it's rude, but it would have done that regardless. So the Queen Alexandra's birdwing is the largest butterfly species in the world. Females boast massive wingspans that can exceed 28 centimeters or 11 inches and weigh up to 12 grams. What? Okay, so let's go for it. And it's this butterfly right here. Bruh. That's pretty cool. Look at it. Look at it. That is massive. Okay, there's butterfly of the day. The Queen Alexandra's birdwing. Do I know anything about it? No, because we just Googled this one. Sure. That is insanity. Here we go. There you can see. It's 28 centimeters, like that big. Yeah, literally. Aw, I think it took me out of break even. Yeah. Okay, took me out of break even. Pity. Oh well. Out at break even. We're up a little bit. Weedy. A little bit. 7.80. Oh, pity. Okay. Let me mark this out. This is a break-even Tradeify right here. It's not Tradeify, obviously. Aw, why didn't you keep running on down? Is it because I sung that song? I'm sorry. I feel like I offended it. Okay. So this was a break-even trade for me today. Okay, let's plop this on Discord. Okay, a little break even. It is what it is. Let's see. Could try to re-enter. Ah, let's see. Did OTT leave stream? I don't know. Maybe. OTT, you still here? Kazi, you're from Uganda. What the hell? How you doing? Say Pikachu next time you hiccup. Do you guys really want to hear me say Pikachu or Pika? No, going down again. Beef with market. It's going down again. Do you have a beef with the market? Fine. Frank a date now. Who's Frank? What just happened? Maya, do not do Pika. Oh, why? Ooh, damn. Here we go. Okay, it looks like the volume's dried up slightly. Please don't ever do that. Why are you guys hating on the Pika Pika thing? What is wrong with it? You're not mean. Oh damn. Okay, so it did have a solid rejection off of that little bit of an order block, but now it looks like potentially we're going back up. Or is this just gonna reach?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
What did I do? Do it. My eye will record it. What's wrong with it? I do a pretty good Snorlax impression. Ah, shit, I love it. It's still gonna push down after sweeping that high where my stop loss was. Okay. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would that is so dramatic for someone just going Pika Pika. That was not it, by the way. So here is actually the 50% retracement of the whole move. That is probably the 50% that I would look for. Oh, there it goes. Okay, into that. Now potentially going down. Let's see if that was the correct entry. This is the 50%. That would have been better. Going to go back down to that low there. Let's see. My idea for it to be a cosplay. No. What was it someone said? Who did someone say? I don't know. Y'all want me to do cosplay and I'm really bad at doing that stuff, so I don't know if that's a good idea. Ooh, but there is still Comic-Con to come in Joburg. When is it? August? October. So it's far away, but still. Yes, I'm a nerd. Comic-Con is awesome. Sue me. New candle open in 30 minutes. What is cosplay? You dress up as someone else, right? You are such a nerd. Yeah, I'm a nerd! And I'm proud of it. Nerd life. New daily opening gap low got respected. Okay. Did it? Isn't that yesterday's new daily opening gap? No. Yes? What? But that's yesterday's. This is today's new daily opening gap. Right down here. All the way down here. So far away. Okay, sorry. I'll stop. Just do the Tomb Raider. There we go, see? In October. Comic-Con was last month. Don't say that. No, when is Comic-Con 2026? In Joburg. In Joburg. Don't say that. You're gonna make me sad. You're gonna make me so sad. You're gonna make me sad. Wait, let me just Google it here, then y'all can see. I have power. Power's back. Yay! Boom! You're back. Comic-Con South Africa will take place from Thursday, September 24th to Sunday, September 27th. Hosted in Johannesburg Expo Center at Nasdaq. Okay, so it's in September. I did say October or November. That's just the one in between. Okay, so it's in September. Damn, you got me all upset there for a second. That was unnecessary. That was unnecessary. Good grief. Here we go. This might be the rejection. I'll be right back. Okay. Stop turning scalping and I work and this means and that's oh my bad. Yeah, Ninja, you made me upset for a second. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, visit Cape Town and Joburg a little bit different. So, oh, why are they so far apart though? Oh well, at least it's only in September, so I haven't missed it. Oh, you made me stress there. I was like, no, because obviously I missed it last year because last year, moved down to KZN before it happened, and obviously there's no Comic-Con in KZN. So I missed it last year and I was super bummed about that. Can't miss it again. You best believe I'm gonna nerd out at Comic-Con. Okay, so I get basically taking martial arts. That's why I was confused, because I know Rage happens in... Is Rage still happening? I don't know if it's happening in Joburg anymore. I've gone to a Rage once and then I've seen nothing else about it. Also, I am very keen to start like a Rage type of thing in, well, South Africa, but Joburg, I guess, to start with, because that's where I would be. But not, you know, like everyone just rocks up and sweats and sits together. They can bring their PC or laptop or whatever and they just sit there and trade together. I would be so down to do that. I don't know who else would be keen on doing that, but I think that would be awesome. Everyone just brings their PC screens, sit and trade, you know, try trade every session together, see what happens. Rage is dead. Yeah, that's exactly, like, Rage used to be the thing to go to, and not anymore. Rage has changed over the years. It used to be a gaming part. No, but that's the thing. I'm talking about the Rage where it was gamers coming together and bringing their PCs and playing games all night and right? And you get weekend passes and there was a bunch of different stalls but now it seems that it's just kind of died out. And now it's just Comic-Con. Do you dress up for Comic-Con? I didn't when I first went. Maybe I should this year. I don't know what I would dress up as, but maybe I should do a little bit of a thing. I don't know what I would do, but it's an option. Word Rage and PC and nerds together. Alright, long. No, I've never been to a trance party. Folks are speaking Chinese to me right now. Sorry, Zolly. I feel like the dictionary is backwards there. Google it for them. I show them what it used to look like. Oh, I don't know if... Rage... Expo. Oh, so it's only an SA thing? That then makes sense. Okay. It's only an SA thing, so that kind of makes sense. Rage Expo, it's a technology, gaming, esport, geek culture. South Africa's largest annual consumer event. I feel like that's a lie. I haven't heard anything about it in a while. Oh, it's in November. Okay, so Comic-Con September, Rage is November. So it is still happening. Nope, this still looks like... No, it is still happening. Yeah, here we go. I saw this and I was like, oh no, it's partying. No, it's not. They just have their... Yeah. Authentic gaming and geek culture has... What? Oh, United. I've heard entitled fans. United fans for over 2 decades. This isn't just an event, it's an escape. So step into a world where PC, console, and mobile gaming collide with fresh technology, esports, cosplay, robotic, creative arts, and next-level digital living. So yeah, there's a LAN. Level up in real life Rage Expo. Wait, so there's an expo and there's a LAN. Yeah. So yeah, there's a 3-day BYOC LAN. Yeah, and you just bring everything and you go for it. Esports, you guys can compete with one another. So it's kind of like Comic-Con, but not exactly. Yeah. I didn't know they were still having it, to be fair. I didn't know it was still a thing. But apparently it is. The more you know. Only competition was arranged to buy to fail them. Good experience. Management people. Do I go to these? Yes, I do, Solly. Yes, I do. Gen Z. Damn, they got monster girls now. Relaxing a night away. Oh, the hiccups are starting again. Okay. I think that out at break even was fine. Dropped so nicely. A little bit bummed. Oh well. It is what it is. Let's see. 543. Mass gathering. You say that, Ninja, but like I said, Comic-Con is huge. Huge. Okay, but that being said, I highly doubt I'm gonna take another trade. It looks like it's calmed down slightly. Maybe this was the retest and it's going back up. Yeah. See how it reacts at this level. And see what it does there. Good. Grief. Okay. I know I was Comic-Con for the last 3 years. Didn't do this year. Why not? No, I'm kidding. Well, I'm not kidding. Well, I will definitely go to Comic-Con this year. Definitely. I will. I used to go to MagicCon, but then it kind of started down here. It was supposed to be like a Harry Potter type of situation. Went to MagicCon, but then they kind of made it that all fantasy worlds were part of it, and I was like, nah, fine. My eye will stop bleeding. Don't be so negative, Atlanta. What's up, Boom? What's up? Mr. Chaos, how you doing? A long time no see. Boom, wins, boom, boom, boom. On 7 episode 1 dropping. $5.45. What a time to be alive. Dun, 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 dun. And Vito, you still in this trade? What? Okay. In a cell? Are you in a cell right now? Gosh damn, how long have you been in this trade for? Okay. Would have been stopped out, luckily just got taken out for basically break even. Had a chick that wanted to go to a D&D session as a date. Neil? I love you madly, but now I'm judging you. D&D as a date is freaking awesome. D&D is so much fun. How dare you? How dare you? Yes, I'm a hardcore nerd. Slash geek, slash whatever you want to call it. D&D do be fun. Mini figurine painting as well. Do be fun. Nice little block, staying in it, looking good. We start Monday. What's happening on Monday? Since that fair value uptick you missed. Yeah. The audacity on that one. I feel like microwave. It's quite funny. Oh man, guys, this has been an absolute wild session today. Just with the chat. What is going on this week? Monday started with me having to jump into the pool. Something happened yesterday. What happened yesterday that was unhinged? I feel like there's a lot that happens every day that's unhinged, but I mean, today was very unhinged. Like, when you know, you know. 547. Aw, ninja. Ali, what's up? What's wrong with D&D? Thank you, OTT. You got emotional yesterday. No, that was during New York. That was during New York, not during London. I stand by my decision. You retired the Mean Boy. Oh, is that why? I feel like you're lying. You retired the Mean Boy because I call. Oh well. You became predictable, and you don't like being predictable. Velocity, do I take a trade? That's up to you. Oh, he's talking about your YouTube videos. Got it, boom. Got it. Okay. Neil, don't knock until you try it. I do agree on that one. D&D is actually surprisingly fun. To be fair, I used to judge people that play D&D, and so I played it and I was like, oh damn. It is quite enjoyable. It does kind of look like the buyers are back. For a little bit though. Let's see what it does at that level. Haven't played it, but I like board games. Mikuava, I think you would enjoy it. I do feel like you have to be a bard that can use vicious mockery though. Vicious mockery is a thing, and you can damage people using it. You would have way too much fun doing that. I'm just saying. Oh, I lost a subscriber. D&D. Rude. Gosh. What's up, Dog Wizzy? How you doing? There's only one Dog Wizard. How you doing? Well, you say that, but at this point it looks like I might be calling it. Sorry, Dog Wizard. Okay, I broke that level. Let's see if we are just going up. Once more would be safe in that game. No, 100%. 100%. It would be insane. Slash, too much fun. Let's see. What is that? Sorry, I was seeing like a red dot or so. Sorry. Anyways. I'm starting to see things. Mikuava, it's fingers. Okay. Plural. What's my favorite character? Well, you know what? I enjoy the Paladin just because you can use magic and combat. Best of both worlds. How's KZN now? I was missing the 1,000 years. KZN is good. It's a little bit hot here today, actually. Believe it or not, I am actually. But this is such a teeny tiny jersey. Hello, there we go. Wow. Okay, I'm calling it. Like I said, I can't get any more. It is what it is. Calling it for the day. I will be back. New York session. Let's see what New York brings. Out at break even today. It is what it is. What, up $4? Winning. Finally, I can eat. There we go. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York session. Let's do this. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Love you guys. Check you later, alligators. Yeah, see you later, alligators. Be good, trade safe. Don't forget to press that like button. I think that's about it. Yeah, if you guys want discount codes, you know what to do.